In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators in Tradingview. If your chart is feeling cluttered or you just want a clean view of price action, removing indicators is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through 3 reliable methods. From the fastest single-click option to a more organized approach when you are dealing with several indicators across different panels. First, open your charts. Each chart panel has a small legend in the top left corner that lists the names of any indicators applied to that panel. This is the fastest way to remove them. Move your mouse over the indicator's name in that legend, and you'll see a few small icons appear. Look for the X or the trash can icon. Clicking that instantly removes the indicator from that panel. This is especially handy when you know exactly which study you want to get rid of and don't want to dig through menus. If you have multiple indicators with similar names, take a second to confirm you are clicking the correct one in the legend before you remove it. Another quick option is to remove an indicator directly from the chart area itself. Right-click right on the indicator's line or plot. A context menu will pop up showing the exact name of the item you clicked. Choose Remove followed by the indicator's name, and it disappears immediately. This method is great when you can visually identify the line you want gone. And it also helps you avoid mistakes because the menu confirms the specific indicator you are targeting. If several plots overlap, zoom in a little or hover until you are sure you selected the right line before you right-click. When you are managing several indicators at once, the object tree gives you a clean overview. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Object Tree, or click the list style icon in the top toolbar to open it. The object tree displays everything on your chart, neatly organized by panels and layers. Find the indicators you want to remove in that list. Then click the small trash icon next to each one to delete it. This approach is ideal when indicators are stacked, hidden behind others, or spread across multiple panels. It saves time by letting you see all active indicators in one place and remove them without hunting around the chart. That's it. Thanks for watching.